racehorse right now. We got race number 78, the 500-meter Senior C Open Final. In lane 2, Heat. In lane 3, FCRCC Senior C Men. And in lane 4, PBC. This is the final for race number 78, Senior C Open 500 meters. Very close race, just over halfway. A 2 Heat, battling out with FCRCC. And we have the official results for race number 77. In fourth place, with a time of 2:07.97, PBC Oil City Crew. In third place, with a time of 2:06.02, FCRCC Thunder. In second place, with a time of 2:03.15, Ocean One. And in first place, with a time of 2:02.98, 42 Dragons, and Jean Men A. The official results for race number 77.